Okay, guys, this is on the record session. Thank you so much for coming in to experience the whole audio webinar. So yeah, today we're gonna go through about how are you able to unlock these crypto profit with AI technologies. So first of all, I want you guys to give yourself a clap and tell yourself that it's easy, because when every time have any new things, right, we will always think that it's very difficult. So we're actually setting barrier for ourselves. So now, as you join in to our community, you are a hunter right now. So welcome to Moonverse. If you are new in crypto, please scan this video, because I actually do one video, this 101 class, to actually tell you about why crypto is the future, what are the technology behind of it, how the ecosystem are able to make the whole things that running reasonably. So that this is the course that I actually setting up, and teach a bit of basic, how you transfer, buy crypto, and understand that the basic things that you need to do to equip yourself to come into this course. So again, as I said, we are still early, and we're actually ahead of 95.3% of anyone in this world. And this number, I believe you will be getting lesser and lesser, because there's more people onboarding into the crypto space. So let's start about these whole things, and we actually try to create all the courses for free for the community, to build the community. So what is the purpose today of this webinar? We want to learn how to make money in cryptocurrency. That's why you are here, okay? And in order for us to make good and safe results, we actually share the, you can spy the result over here, the Telegram here. It's actually shared by one of our partners, Caleb. So he actually shared with us about the daily progress and all the informations about how we do. So these are the things that, we wanted to share with everybody, like what type of result it's having, like how much that you're setting up, can come in as $100 for lower cap, or even though for $1,000 or $5,000 or even $10,000. So you can actually join in this Telegram to understand more and see how is it about. And over here, right, what we're going to see is the results of the CoinTech2. It's actually one of the, the result that we use bot to trade. So this is from June 2023. It actually started from $10,000 and actually went out to almost $50,000. So this is definitely amazing and great achievement for the community. And this is also another bot, it's called Apollo. So we actually started this bot, one of the testing. Actually, we tested earlier ago. Right now, this part is actually, we started from 18th of December 2023 until now with $100, it actually go out to $63. So 167 in 2.5 months is definitely amazing. This is very a small cap. And even though for recently, one of our members create $300 account, within the 15 days, they actually go out to $36. So this is considered a good number, and this is like a hybrid. So we actually will share two bots lah. And the question over here is, do you want to start with all these results and learn all these things? Or anybody can share and type inside the below that you can tell me that where you from, are you new in crypto, or maybe just started out already a while that you know how to buy crypto, all this stuff. Okay, again, we are here to maximize our crypto earning with the power of AI. So AI is a lot of narrative. You see, people say, wow, this is an AI bot. Forex also have a few places, like you throw a stone, whoever that is doing Forex, everybody tell you I have an AI bot, right? So I'm pretty skeptical. There's a point of time that we actually work with exchange like Bybit. Then they actually go out share with us some solutions, and people introduce us about some bot. So actually what we do is we will actually find out whether is this the right bot to work with us. Like for the team, what are the technology back on it, and how it able to help us to achieve that? Is it simple to operate all these things? So these is the things that we take into consideration, that whether is it a good bot that is functionable and able to work properly for our community. So we will test also. So just in case, whoever that just come into this webinar, maybe your friend introduced you or whatever. Who am I? So I am Kenny. I run a page called Kenny TV or I am Kenny because Facebook actually banned, not say ban, it's like more restrict my account. So we actually created a few new pages just to make sure that we have to reach out to more people. I believe that if you are in content creation or Facebook, they probably will see Nusa Yassin from Nas Daily, the guy who make 1 minute video every single day for 1,000 days. And I actually joined into the community, which is called MetaPurse. So this guy, who is this guy? Who is this guy? This gentleman, or his name is Metacoven. So he actually is a Bitcoin billionaire. So he actually spent $69 million to buy an NFT, which is aka JPEG, to join into the community because he's in the space for many years. So he actually started from there. Then everybody start to know him and have a lot of traction. It's like, who the hell will spend $69 million to buy a JPEG? Would you spend $100 to buy a JPEG? Maybe you can leave a comment below. So both of them actually create a program called MetaPurse. They get people to apply, to submit a video, to make content for people who don't know about crypto and NFT at 2021. So actually I managed to join in and start making my crypto content from there. And actually there's 7,500 people apply. They will choose 70. Then after that, the top 50 after a month, they will pay 1 Ethereum for 3 months. So that means over the 3 months, we actually make 1,113 Ethereum. 1 Ethereum back then, 2021, is $4,008. 4,008 or 4,005, I can't remember. So that's the value from there. Okay, now we almost hit the all-time high again, 4,000 today. So I managed to be one of the top content creators on Facebook. So I'm proud to say that. So it's not easy, but this is the way that that's how I kick off with my journey. And because I learn for free, and I also, get money from there as a funds to kickstart with our community. So I wanted to, give it back to the community because I learn for free. So I wanted to dive in all these things to build a good following so that everybody won't need to go through the hard time to learn all the, very basic or complicated things. But now recently I feel that I'm making some complicated. So now today, what we're going to discuss, right, is why AI can win traditional trading, which AI bot to choose, and how to set up if you are ready. So let's start over here. And I believe that this is a two very great question that community asked me. It's $1 million question. How long this crypto bull run will, continue? And what are the risks to use this bot, these AI trading, whatever things that we are actually sharing? First of all, how long will this crypto bull run? Okay, we must need to understand why Bitcoin is up. Everything come out is because of Bitcoin pushing up, because they dominate the crypto market. It's because of Bitcoin halving. Okay, everybody in the crypto space will always tell you, oh, Bitcoin is going up because of Bitcoin halving. So this is every 4 years that there's a cycle that actually will split the mining rewards into half. That means you will need to spend more cost and reduce the quantity in the market. So this is the reason why they have this kind of cycle. To be honest, when I heard that at 2021, even though for now, I still think that this is a bullshit. 100%. Why I say bullshit, right? It's because that who the hell is using Bitcoin for a daily things? It's actually more on a bunch of people come in and buy up Bitcoin because of the, maybe war, inflations, people will start believing it, big will come in, then they cut down the supply, and etc. etc. And if you went through our Crypto 101 course, I actually do a bit of sharing that, during the process, like tulip, or even though the fish, in Chinese we call lo han yu, forget what's English called, it's actually sell very expensive. So everything is about speculations. So the only thing that I think that it will go up is because of the supply and demand. Okay, this is the whole halving concept. You see, if we are drinking coffee, coffee is, everyone loves coffee. Most of it. You can comment below and tell me whether you love coffee. If today you drink coffee, right, suddenly they tell you that, oh, the whole world bean, the coffee bean, will cut the supply into half, then I can tell you the price will surely go up because there's people who want to drink coffee. And of course, it depends on what are the things that build on the ecosystem. If we cannot use, like for me, if I cannot use Bitcoin to buy something and do something right now on the daily basis, I probably won't buy it, and I don't think there's a need, But of course I buy Bitcoin. One chance to say is, all these things might be speculating. Like, why is it? Is it something that you will use? It depends on what are the things that is built on the ecosystem. This is very important to understand the concept. But the whole idea that why suddenly pump, number one is because of halving, supply cut, so there's more demand. And the good news for crypto space 2024, it's the spot Bitcoin ETF. That means there's inflow cash. If you want to know about this concept, right, you can scan this video, actually make shots over here as well. Because of inflow cash of this spot Bitcoin ETF. Just in case for people who are still new, they are not sure about what is ETF. So ETF can be every kind of assets. These kind of assets can be diamond, can be gold, can be oil, can be any things, even though the S&P 500, the businesses, they actually do the performance and the packing and sell it to the investors. So there's a lot of institutions are into it to sell the Bitcoin ETF. So after the approval, in 3 weeks' times, they actually sold 42,000 Bitcoin. Okay? They actually go into the market and buy Bitcoin and keep it at their, whatever, their warehouse, their wallet or whatever things, just to secure, to tell their investor that, hey, I really buy this Bitcoin on behalf of you, so that we will add on and, if anything gain, I will, give it back to you. But you every month still need to pay me for management fee. So 3 weeks, already at 42,000 Bitcoin. Now, today, Bitcoin is for 72 or 73,000. Anybody know how much is Bitcoin right now? You can type below. And after 3 weeks, right, the next 4 days, they accumulate 43,000 Bitcoin. That means additional 43,000 Bitcoin. This is scary, man. Because of the inflow cash, it actually push up the whole crypto market because there's a lot of money flowing into the market. So up to date, we need to understand one more concept. The all-time high of 2021, for Bitcoin, it's Bitcoin, the crypto market cap, is 2.6 trillion. That means the whole all-time high of Bitcoin is $2.6 trillion. This is the number that you need to remember. Why? Because the next thing is to understand BlackRock already hold 200,000 Bitcoin. So you go and times 200,000 Bitcoin times $73,000 right now. How much is it? So that's the money that flow in. So Bitcoin, when ETF approved, is actually start to accumulate from 40,000, 35,000, I think 40 plus. They actually push the price until 70,000 plus. So you see, and this business, hold this over here, you can see, they actually handle a lot of funds. Almost the big company like BlackRock, Vanguard, they actually have all these spot Bitcoin ETF to buy on behalf of their assets for their clients and, community. So how much they actually handle? They actually handle more than 100 trillion funds. So just like I asked you to take note, right? 2.6 trillion all-time high in the total market cap. So now, all-time high is 2.6. When all-time low is actually less than 1 trillion. Would you think that crypto market will actually drop back to 1 trillion? I can tell you, non-financial advice. This is based on the technical facts and all the things here. It definitely won't go back to 1 trillion. Okay, maybe now 2 trillion or maybe 2.6 or 3 trillion might be the all-time low. Why? Because these people are holding more than 100 trillion funds. They just need to drop down 1 trillion to spot Bitcoin ETF or maybe 1.5 trillions. Because this is the inflow that money will come in, and there's line up like Ethereum, spot ETF, all these things will coming in as well. So it's very bullish for whole thing. So this is my point of view that why all these things will actually run like this. But what is the risk when they start dumping? Like COVID, war, all these things, when they want to cash out, this might cause the downflow. Next thing what we want to do is to share that why AI can win traditional trading. But before that, I really need to let you guys to take note. Okay, do not take picture of all this I'm going to show you right now, okay, is really, really confidential. Okay, can you confirm that you all will not take a picture? If yes, please type a yes, so at least I know you are here with me, okay, please. This is the numbers that my partners that trade over the 30 days, okay? $273 million, one person trades. So how big is 273 million, sorry. It's equivalent to 2,000 active traders holding $2,000 to trade every single day, or probably they will trade alternate day or whatever. This is a huge volume. What I'm trying to say is like, do you think that you can learn to trade this kind of volume? Okay? Superwoman, huh? I think at least you must have such a big screen that you can trade like how she trade. There's a phone beside, huh? If you can see here, there's a phone holding. Okay, there's definitely more equipment that's here. There's a lot of charts and things that is like running on as well. So do you all think that you all can trade so much? Yes or no? Help me type below so I will know. Okay, it's crazy, right? But the truth is, it's making losses. Okay, of course there's winning days, but we try to say that the capture of the whole process at that point of time of this 273 million is actually making losses. This is crazy. I mean, I believe not ordinary person can trade so much or lose so much money. Okay, it's a lot of time. Honestly, I also trade. I'm a fundamental trader. Okay, I some nights I couldn't even sleep. I thought that I will get liquidated. Okay, a lot of unpredictable. People come in and pump and manipulate the whole thing. The stress level is no joke, serious. The truth is, everything that you see, you probably need 99% skill to build up. Okay, like you can spend years to learn all these things. Okay, but you just need to burn all with 1% emotions. The emotions that really will kill you off. Okay, this is the things that I want you guys to know. And as a, whether you are a short-term trader or long-term trader, you need to understand that there's a lot of, you need to monitor with a lot of tools like TradingView, Coin Analyst, Bookmap, High Blocks, all these stuff. More than that, maybe got news, different platform to understand and know what's going on. It's very stressed. So the factors of losing trades, right, for the traders in the market, it's coin activations times, different entry timing will cause different, price up and down. Trade all available coin. Sometimes when you trade, you tend to trade more. And some people don't have a exit plan. So they will keep on pumping and pumping. And they did not set, okay, how much do I need to lose? Because everybody don't want to lose money, right? They wanted to win. So you will always pump the money and continue. And then when they go down, then you just go. And all capital in one account. That's why you need to diversify your portfolio. It's very important. So this is the main question. Where the money from? Okay, I'm trading right now. Whose money that I'm winning, Because it's always win versus lose. Whatever things that we're making is somebody losing, okay? But the key thing is, the money must go to somewhere. For example, now have war, COVID, or maybe if you are buying something, you're selling something, the money should go to somebody else, right? So this is the way that you will be happening. The money must go to somewhere. The key question is, why is it not on you, Why the money is not to you? So this is very important. You must always remember that the money won't drop from the sky. The money won't just burn and gone away. And of course, with crypto, you must understand also, this is not a Ponzi game or a money game. Although people will use this as a vehicle or storytelling to get you to come in and ask you to put money with them. So for us, we are not doing that, okay? We will always tell people to be very careful. Ponzi and money game, what is the definition? They actually get you to come in for the exit of the liquidity. So you are here to pump their bags. That's why they will go in. So Ponzi and money game, their structure is that, the earlier go in, they will earn more money. The latest will go in, then they will just die off. So crypto are different. The whole concept, it will be trade. You're winning, somebody loses, okay? sounds bad, but this is how it goes. The question is, are you the one who win? You know, this is very important. Are you the one who winning? Are you the one who take over the losses? Probably it's their gain or whatever, but how can we be the one that win? So you can only use AI bot. Just now what you said, 99% effort, but 1% burn. But now it's different way, okay? You just need 1% effort and you have 100% win over emotion. Because why will have emotion? Because you're not the one who trade. So you will definitely win over there. Again, if you want to see the results, spy on that, you take a screenshot, just join into the Telegram and you can see the daily results that our weather report, Caleb, will help to share some people that actually share to him or in the community, then it will consolidate. So if you start trading, you can actually share over there as well. Okay? So the big another $1 million question, which AI bot to choose? Because we actually using two bots. One is called Contact2You, one is Apollo. So both are very smart. The only thing, the difference is actually based on your capital and your risk level. Okay, I didn't make a video over here that what's the difference, then you can see also. So what's the difference? At least $1,000 to start on Contact2You, and for Apollo is $150 to kickstart the performance. So before you start, you can actually just register first, so that after that you can learn from there. So actually we also put up the step-by-step over here as well. So register is very important because once you register, right, make sure you send us your UID. You just make sure that you are in the ecosystem, because if any problem, we can actually work with the team to help you out. So this is we try to see the differences, like how much it's making. So for example, this is a 48,000 account. You see, this is today's profit, you know, that they just pump up. And you can see that this is a $900 account, $39. Over the months, they actually make $200, $37. So it's around there. Then 2K account is like that. But again, this is one of the day pump up. You can see below, see, $17, $5, $35, all these numbers. So it depends on the market up and down. So as you can see that this example, June until March 2023, that period of time, it's 2024, this year, I typo. So this is my Shifu, okay? He's my mentor in Contact2You. So in fact, he actually one of the admin to help us out for any questions that we have in the group chat. There he will actually help us out, or maybe will make some content together with me if I have any questions. So what he's trying to say that is Contact2You users, right? No matter it's bull market or downtrend, it always take profit. The best it is, because I will explain to you later what is hedging strategy. So Contact2You is using hedging strategy. They will open long position and short position at the same time. So they will depends on using which type of format, because they have three strategies. So you can see on the right hand side, you see that day was actually everything go down, but you can see that my profit is still very healthy. So we actually, in fact, we like today pump, tomorrow dump kind of situations. So just now I mentioned there's three strategy on the Contact2You, just to understand. So don't get messed up. Wow, how come so many things to remember? Remember again, like just now I mentioned that if you want to make a lot of money in crypto, you need to spend thousands and thousands of dollars and years to learn about technical analysis. Today, you just need to understand the fundamental, what are the difference of the things that you can use as a tools in the crypto market, AI crypto market. So for Contact2You, they actually have these three strategy. This one no longer using AI, Bull AI, and Million strategy. So this is the things over here. Can read after that. So like I said, these are the three strategies. So that these are the things that wrap it up for Contact2You, what we have. Okay. The next thing is Apollo. Okay. Again, here you can actually scan and join in and the step-by-step over there as well. So I want to share with you these very interesting things. So I was making this slide that day was like $57. Now it's like $60+. And you can see this thing, right? This is a three area that shows this is a profit. This is the floating. That means this is a $100 account. It actually go up. So where are the differences? It's all over here, okay? And the bot. So you see this list, right? It's very scary. I tell you why it's scary. It actually show this. Can you see the words partial close? Yeah. If can, maybe help me type a yes. partial close. This is mind-blowing when I saw it, okay? This partial close, right, it's very mind-blowing. Why? If you look at it, it's like a real person doing trading for you, you know, like when to close, how much to close, when to take profit. This is crazy, crazy, crazy. This is how smart is Apollo. And Apollo, right, is actually a 2-in-1. Okay, understand that. What is 2-in-1? That means they can do spot trading and they can do future at the same time. Okay, look at this account that I just now shared, $300 account. You can see on the left hand side is spot. On the right hand side is future. Okay, spot means that they will buy low, sell high on the token itself. That means you will not get liquidate because you are buying and keep in your wallet. This strategy works at bull market. Okay, last time when they create bot, right, bull market is good, but when it's bear, right, everything go down 90%. How can you buy low, sell high? So you must be very careful. The risk versus future, right, is like spot. If you never sell, you will not get lost, but they will buy low, sell high. So if going to bear market, you must be very careful. So you must always see your exit point. Always must have a profit strategy. So future is the things that they will actually run for you to help you decide whether to long, whether to short. Okay, so these are the things. And just for info, that 15 days, $300, the profit is 12%. I'll say it. So overall for both bot, right, it's around 10 to 30%. If we say on the safe side is 10%, it's considered very, very good. So these are some of the results. Okay, just see only. Don't be stressed like, oh, how much should I do? So I will make a summarize on these two things, right? These two bot. Okay, first thing first, what I like about is below these words. If you can you see what's the words below? It's free to use. Okay, no subscription. That means you can just use it. You only pay when you make money. Of course, you must prepaid so that they will make sure that you will pay them, okay? But not big and crazy amount. So for Quantity to You again, 1,000, and Apollo is actually on around $150. Then they will take 10% commission over here, and for Quantity to You is 20%. Both are the same. They will rebate you more when you top up more, okay? So this is the difference. Of course, what is the strongest things that we know? Okay, for Contact to You, they actually have extra insurance and support. What do I mean by that? If you get liquidated, that means now your account like burn out $1,000, they will actually help you to claim back. If you follow their setting, if you top up $100 and buy their point card, that's the minimum. Then you will qualify, of course, subject to approval. Let's say if you get liquidated $1,000, right? The commission is $200, right? Then they will give you the 200 credit to help you to win back that $1,000. Okay, so this is the insurance that I like about, because it's, although some people say, only give us back the commissions, but it's not easy, you know. At least they're willing to give you back and take the commitment to help you to build your portfolio back. So we did get burned last year when Solana is suddenly pump up, so we're able to get back. So one of my partners, our master trader, he just said, never mind, I don't get it. So I asked him to go and claim back the money, because they are really very supportive. They just want us to win back the money. So I think that this kind of sincerity and continuously build the whole things during bear market until now, I think that workflow and sincerity and willing to help our community, I think that's perfect. So Contact to You team also very good, and they are very intelligent. Why? Because compared to Contact to You, they were actually more like a real human trading for you. And so far, they're actually willing to open up the deck. You can see that it's very open source, you know, so you can use it and understand what are the technology they have. So they have single-sided. They also will have dual-sided, because they will help you to decide when to in, when to out, when to take profit. So just like I mentioned about the risk and downside, that the extra insurance support, but they're able to cover back. So this risk is considered a good thing, but I don't know how long they will do it. So, you know, always check. And for Apollo, it's very smart. But the only thing that so far we have member open up for Apollo got $100, $200, $500, $1,000, $2,000. So far nobody get burned. Only two situations. Number one of our member, Mr. Kim, he actually go and adjust. Okay, and then after that, haywire. I just help him to close up. I said, no, I just redo again. Secondly is one of the account happened to have one token is go a different directions. So overall still make money, and I advise him to actually close down the account. So what are the other risks for this? this is also a $1 million question, okay, which is just like I mentioned. When is the bull market? How long is the bull run, and what are the risks to use this bot? Okay, first of all, you must understand Apollo and Bybit, they work differently. So they are actually partners. So these bots, they actually act as a remote control. So meaning they don't have the rights to withdraw your funds from your Bybit account. So Bybit will hold the funds. That means you can use it to trade or whatever. It belongs to you. But again, always put your bags at different places. Don't become like FTX cases. Okay, but I'll explain what are the difference later. So what if one day Cointech2U or Apollo close down? Okay, you only got two issues. Number one, you lost your credit value inside the bot. Secondly, no one will trade for you. So this is the consequences. Okay, for Bybit, is Bybit closed down. If Bybit closed down, that means our funds will die over there. So don't put all funds into one basket. Okay, but why Bybit is good? Okay, why we work with them? First thing first, of course, they are very supportive. They don't sponsor these whole things that we are doing. They are not paying us to say all these things. It's because that we are working with them. Bybit use A-book. What is A-book? A lot of exchange, they do not use A-book anymore. And what are the risks that if you don't use A-book? That means exchange potentially will trade against you. That means if you buy long, they will buy short. They will trade against clients. Okay, so these are things. I'm not saying that other will. Okay, I'm just saying that Bybit are A-book. So A-book, you are not allowed to do that. And we can see CoinGecko is a third party. They actually verified. Bybit is the top #1 exchange for derivative right now. Okay, this is a crazy number and very strong rating. Okay, the trust level. Look at Binance is on 13. Yeah, I'm using Binance. I'm not saying Binance not good. It's just that, you know, that's the rank. So they also do a lot of things to verify, and of course with transparency, like third party will come into it and do. But one of the things that I want to address it, like how come Bybit so good, but they cannot operate in China or Singapore or some other country? Because one of the reasons, right, from what I know, is the P2P issues. So P2P means peer-to-peer. That means can send money to you when you buy USDT from me. You know, something like that. So they don't want to have that kind of transaction because you're involved with potential money laundering. Then after that, the exchange is a big rate. You know, somebody can sell $1.45. Somebody can sell $1.20. So the extra, where does it go? Is it taxable? So anything you just need to pay tax, then you will definitely be able to use and operate in the country. But we won't know whether we come into Singapore and get verified, but I believe that they are working on it. Transparency is very important. So this is what Bybit, that what we like about. So again, a few members already do a few times already. They actually transfer the funds to, you know, to the bot Apollo or Cointech2U itself. Okay, you don't have to, please. Your funds will at Bybit. Okay, later we will do a bit of demo to show you that how you transfer your funds, how you buy, and all these things, and what you need to do. So for the Cointech2U and Apollo bot, right, you only keep the funds for the commission for them. So it will be very low, okay, unless you got a big amount. Again, leverage for real returns in crypto. AI is really the game changing, okay? I will not advise you. I mean, it's good to learn about these trading strategies and stuff like that, so you will understand, because until now I don't even know how to see the chart. Okay, I'm really a fundamental trader. I know that this coin will go up. Why? Because of the use case, the ecosystem. So I'm actually using a very interesting concept called PEST. It's marketing and management style. So it works for crypto. I'll share it all next time. So remember to follow our page. So I ask, are you guys ready to learn how to set up your bot? Or maybe you all can tell me below of the comment which bot you like. Is Apollo good for you? Why? Or Cointech2U, you like it better? You know, maybe you can share with me so that I will roughly note down and see like, oh, maybe I can do more content on Cointech2U, or maybe do more content on Apollo. What are the differences and stuff like that? And now we're gonna do the journey that how to set up your AI bot on both sides. Before you sign up, right, you just need to remember there's only 3 things, like main pillar to understand. Number 1 is sign up Bybit, because you need an exchange. Okay. Number 2, sign up the bot. I've been telling you all to sign up bot first. You can keep, you don't have to use first. But when you have, then just bind together. Number 3 is to link the API. and link together and start to choose which coin you want. What is API? Again, is like a remote control for the bot to remote control and access to your account to open trade for you, but not transfer withdrawal. Later I'll show you what's the difference. So over here, first thing first, if you are not having Bybit, you can just scan, take a picture over here and join in, okay? Remember to key in the right, area, because if you join us, right, everybody will have a chance to win up to $30,000. Not win, actually, if you have the funds to do it. 30,000 welcome bonus. Then you will have $20 additional bonus to sign up is as a gift. And additional for our site, right, if you top up $100 within 7 days, you actually will get an airdrop $10 to $30. So these are the difference that if you sign up with our link. And of course, got more perks. These are the step by step, okay? You can actually scan and follow. So let's start the whole process. Once you sign up Bybit, right? I mean, today, whoever that come here, I assume you all have the knowledge of crypto to buy and sell. But I still make a simple slide over here so that you are not missing out, okay? First thing first, very simple. You need to sign up and buy USDT. So go to Bybit, you just need to choose because I'm Malaysian, so actually I do Malaysian MIR. Then you can just buy from your card. Okay, what is this? This is Google Authenticator. This will be your best friend. Later I'll tell you why. So just buy and go through. That's it. So simple. Just like buying of things only. So what you need to do is to have Google Authenticator, like I mentioned. When you use Bybit, open up your sub account, all these things, you definitely need all these things. Having Google Authenticator is very important because it secures your login and you will actually link to your email. So when you are changing phone, don't have to worry like last time. Last time is very complicated. Now you just need to log in, then you can find your Google Authenticator. So again, which bot to choose? There's a few. So again, let's go through the contact to you, how we're going to do the sign up. Okay, sign up Bybit, sign up the bot, and link the API. So now we are at the page of the sign up. So you can see over here. Correct. You can scan the step by step and you can make sure you join in. Okay. Actually, we'll put out the link step by step over here. Okay. It's pretty easy to follow the step. So what I'm going to do later, I'll actually do a demo, how I set up, how I choose the coin. So you all will have a hands-on to understand. Okay, after that, you will have a revisions. You can actually go back to click this link. Then you all can watch the playback. So now what we're going to do is to open the sub account. Let me share on my phone right now. Okay, so now I'm actually on my page. Like just like I mentioned, now what we're going to do is to open up a sub account. Okay, why we need to have a sub account? Okay, because every bot that we have, right, we don't mix it up so that you can have different bot. So as you can see that actually I already opened up some bot over here. This is my another new account. Actually I got 3 Bybit account. So every bot will serve a different purpose, like maybe 1,000 funds, 3,000 funds, or maybe 10,000 funds. It depends on what you want to do. So I'm going to do is like how we're going to set up this sub account. We need to go to the over here, the main page. After you just need to create sub account over here, and you create. Just choose a standard sub account. It will automatically go to the unified trading. So what is unified trading? Unified trading is actually on Binance, right? It's a VIP style of the account. That means they will combine your spot, your funding together so that you can trade spot or future at a same wallet. So it will not easy to get liquidate. Okay, you can use your Bitcoin to back it up. And this kind of trading account, right, is actually, like I said, for VIP or institution, professional trader they can use. But Bybit make it available for everybody without additional funds. Okay, so now I'm going to create one. Is called maybe I can put demo account. Okay, demo can sounds like scary. Okay, let's create. So once you create, right, you can just access to it, okay, by switching your account. So this is how you switch your account. Once you set up, right, what's the next thing you need to do is to transfer funds, okay? So I'm going to do contact to you, right? Am I going to do contact to you? Do you all remember what I said just now? Let's all see whether you're still around, okay? Sub account. So I will just do the, I already opened up the moonverse 1K. Okay, then I'll just transfer to Unify trading account. Then I'll just transfer $1,000. Okay, because contact to you minimum is $1,000. Actually 500 you can do, just that it's a bit risk, okay? So I already opened up. Okay, then you can see that there's funds over there. Let's check it out. See, I'm now going in, and this is my account, $1,000. Okay, so this is what we do over here. But what are the next thing they want to do? Remember I told y'all we need to link an API. So why we want to do the API? Because we want the bot to remote control the thing itself. Okay, so now I'm going to just pretend to go back here because I already set up so that we don't have to spend the time to go through so much details. So now it's API. When you go out, you get this thing, you need to go API. Both apps are the same. Whether contact to you or Apollo, is the same way to set up. Set up a sub account, link API, and you will need Google Authenticator. So now because this is a new account, so I need to create a new key. So this is a Google 2FA. So we set up. Okay, then I'll go through here and setting. So setting, they will actually send you an email to tell you that, okay, come and check it out to set up your new account. Okay, then we'll just pull this over here. And then we'll just put the number. I'm waiting for my email. So it will send to your email. Don't panic, okay? Step by step. So 285131. Okay, I'll just press confirm. So now this is a 2FA factor. If you all scan, you also can log in. But because this is a demo account, so you can do whatever you want. I will delete later. So what I do is I'm scanning over here on my phone, my Google Authenticator. So I already done. Then I'll just key in the number here. 783611. Okay. So this is I already logged in already. So now I already start up already. Okay, then I need to exit first. So I exit over here. This is the main page. I need to create new keys. So for contact to you and Apollo is quite similar, and we all see because this is the way that you need to use. So when we over here, right, API transactions and all these things, what you do is to choose the connect to third party. So if you can see that contact to you, or even for Apollo, you're able to find it. So it's not easy to become a partner over here. Okay, you can find your bot name over here. Okay, so let's do contact to you. Read and write. Okay, because they need to read your account and write and overwrite on it. That means they need to open the trade. So just now, remember, it's Unify trading account. Okay, so you choose order, positions, derivative, and trades. Okay, actually don't do USDC, but it's okay. We can just leave it. Okay, then you can see asset. Do not click assets. Okay, I'm trying. You see account transfer, sub account transfer. So we don't click that. We just click submit. So you need to have the 2FA. Just now we already have the 2FA, right? The demo 179180. Okay, then I will. So this is the very, very important thing, the API key. So you need to copy this API key to your contact to you. Okay, I'll show you all the screen of contact to you. Okay, as you can see my screen over here. Okay, so when we sign up, right, we need to top up the funds over here, right? So we can actually do buying over here. See, buying API, which is very important. So we need to click in. Just now, remember, just now we saw the passcode. You just need to paste the API key and the secret key over here. If you copy the key, right, do not let people to access. That's why I'm actually using demo. And you keep it. Because Bybit now, they cannot open up and retrace back the passcode over here. So it'll be a trouble. So make sure that you copy at the safe place, okay? Then this is how we link. So just remember how much we transfer. Anybody remember? I want to see whether are you still here. Can you type just now you saw how much I transferred to my sub account? Is it $10,000? Is it $20,000 or $100? Can you all type it up? Somebody put $200. Oh, okay, I see. Amazing, you able to see. Good job, good job. No price yet, but PM me, maybe I'll give you some airdrop. Okay, so you can see once we buy the account, you can actually see the amount of money is accurate over here. Later I'll show you some big account so that you will see that okay, this is how it works. So already done. All you do is to top up and deposit. So now I deposit here from our Bybit account. So let me share with you the Bybit account. So just now we already do the API, all these things already, right? So what you do is to transfer the funds. Let's say for example, over here, I already transfer, okay? So what we need to do over here is like we go to assets, okay? You go to assets, then what you need to do is to find just now the account that we show. Then we go withdrawal. So you find USDT, okay? Because we need to transfer USD over. Then you just need to scan, you see? Address, network, amount, okay? This is for people who are new, okay? Bear with me, some pro. Okay, I'll just need to scan, okay? Just go over. Then you can see my screen, right? Yeah, so I will go here and deposit. Then I'll find BP20, then I'll just scan. So it just appear over here. Sometimes they cannot scan, so just copy from there. So just BP20. So just transfer the amount. So for Cointech to you, right, minimum transfer is actually $15. You can let your bot start. But remember just like I mentioned, if you are using bot, right, and you want to claim the amount of money, the insurance, your minimum top up need to be $100. So you just put $100, then just transfer. Okay, make sure it's full amount. Sometimes they will deduct. You see, there's 30 cents over there, right? So sometimes if you don't have enough amount, right, then they will deduct. Then when you send over, it's 99.7. So try to make it more in that account, maybe like $101 or 10 cents or whatever. So yeah, this is how you transfer your account. So let's see this account that we already transferred early on, so that we have more time, for any Q&A or whatever. Okay, see? But I already transfer, right? Just now you all see. So how we see, we go to my wallet. Then you see I already transfer $100 over. So what I do is buy point card. So you can see all these point card, right? The more you buy, the more saving you have. So in order to claim the insurance, right, minimum is $100. Also, when you buy $100, right, you have 10% more. So that means you got 10% lesser to pay them, okay? So if you have account that is like 2K and above, best to top up 300. Okay, we got member that miss out, okay? So we just confirm, they just press. So this one is demo, so I just put $100. Okay, just press confirm. So once you confirm, right, your money is over here. Okay, then they will deduct from there for you. So this is how you set up your Cointech to you account that have balance over here and your wallet. Okay, the next thing what you need to do is to choose the token. Okay, maybe I do on my big screen so that you all can see easily. Any point of time, if you think that, what should I set? How should I set? You don't forget, here it has a game plan. Okay, you can just click. So they will explain to you. Actually, you can spend a bit of time to read about it. Why Cointech to you is good? They really put in a lot of effort and explain that, who are losing, how they are winning and all these things. So they actually got different exchange, but let's look at Bybit. So let's say we have $1,000 account, okay? One day say that you actually can split into 2 accounts, okay? But it's a lot of admin work, So we just go to $1,000 account. So there's a Bull AI strategy and AI strategy and millionaire strategy. So recently we opened up one of our member. He actually go $30,000, so $10,000 account. If you want to see the $10,000 account, you all can type I want to see, then I will open up and show you all. Okay, so let's say $1,000 account, it's Bull AI. Okay, what you need to do is to choose 10 token. Okay, the 10 token are not from your understanding to choose, okay? It's actually choosing from the list over here. So you just need to choose over here. Okay, 10 account. What is this? Okay, strategy, long order, short order, leverage, stop, double, how many coin. You need to remember all these few things. Actually, the slide I got put in. Later, I'll do a quick revise. So let's go and see. Okay, market. Okay, what is your favorite token over here? Do you want to type? Then I can choose for you. Okay, do not repeat more than 2. Okay, Cardano, Shiba, Sushi, TRX, XRP. So why we will do okay, so this is a bull AI strategy. Okay, now it's bull market, so I will choose bull AI strategy over here. Just to do a quick advice, why they want to split up this amount is because you are separate into risk. Remember just now I mentioned, you don't put all money into one basket. Don't put into one account. You need to split. So if you got 1,000, you can split 500. You can use bull AI strategy. You can use the AI strategy or even though median strategy. It depends on which one you want to use. Okay, so you can choose. So this whole concept is to break it down and to diversify your risk. Okay, so for now, what I think which one will be better? Some say Shiba. Any more choice? Don't have? Then I will choose. Okay, for me, I think that you will go bull is Polkadot. So I will choose Polkadot over here. Okay, this is the way how you choose. Okay, just very easy one. A lot of bot very complicated, but this is considered easy. Anyway, Apollo maybe will be more easier. So just confirm. So what you do is go to setting. Okay, so what are the advice setting that they give us? We are $1,000 account. We choose the token 4 and 3. That means your first order it's $4. Over here, $4. Okay, and $3. Usually it's same amount, but because it's bull AI, so we choose what strategy? Bull AI strategy. Click. They do it so easy that we can actually see from there. Okay, next thing is what? Stop loss. Okay, 1,000 stop loss is 240. Why 240? Because 60 times. Okay, can we open out this one? Cannot. That's why here already wrote double first long order, double first short order. When can you do this? When you are having $3,000 account. Or in fact now they change. Whoa, 3,000 also cannot on. Okay, 6,000 then you can on. Sorry, last time was 3,000 you can on already. So do not put this open up, okay? Do not put okay, because if you're not following the standard setting, then you will get liquidate, then you cannot claim. Okay, let's put confirm, and what you do, we just press the start button. Okay, so it started. Okay, let me refresh. Okay, let me check on my phone. Is it open up? Okay, so just now what we do is on the remote control, remember? As a remote control, then we need to see that, okay, is it open up already? So when you go to the account, the $1,000 account here, moonverse 1K. Check. See? Just now we open Polkadot, right? Immediately they will actually open the positions already. So before we use this bot, we already do the check already. Like, is it linked or not linked or whatever. Even though you have problem, right, it will very fast will appear inside our account. Why do I say that? I will share with you. See, over here already started to run, okay? So you already see what is going on. Okay? Okay, so just now I mentioned that there's some cases that happen. We call it the error sign, okay? This is where it happens on your account that it actually show this sign. So how does it look like? Okay, let me find for you. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Okay, we go to coin. Y'all see? Normal account will look like this. Okay, can take a picture or whatever. Anything that happen like this, or because like just like I said, hedging so there's long and short. If you only left short or left long, also must seek for help, okay? It might happen, it doesn't mean that it will not happen. So this is the account that, it's already mismatched. You can actually run this thing again with disable it or whatever, like mismatch, error setting, all these things. So all these things I won't be talking about so details, but we did make a video for it. So always ask, then we will try to cater, and you can ask for help. You all can always text me if you have the account, okay? So that's about it for the contact to you. So let's do a revision fast one. So what we already do just now is to open sub account, and we actually top up, we buy point, we link API, and we execute the bot. Step by step, already there, you just scan, you can see. Just follow exactly, it will be exactly what I talk about. So just now we mentioned here, it's we find the right one to transfer BP20, transfer the amount, and we buy the right things, okay? Then of course over here, we also talk about how we're going to find the amount, you clean the right one, AI strategy, I can see your balance, and this is how it goes. 3 strategy, Bull AI, and Million strategy. Let me do a quick revision. Why is this so? Bull AI strategy is bull. So they will open more because they are doing hedging. Remember, they are doing hedging. Open long and short at the same time. So bull, they will open more. Then for the short, they will do lesser 1.5. Then AI strategy, it will be hedging all the way equivalent. You know, like same thing. That means $4, $4, $10, $10. They will open the same amount. Okay. That's why if you get liquidate, then you will just liquidate one side all the way up, never come back. Million strategy, right? Million strategy, it's actually they take profit very fast, maybe like 1%, 1.5%. So they keep on opening the account and take profit very fast, very small amount. So just now I show you all the demo, you actually can go and use this. So all these things you can find inside the app. So the whole idea again is to diversify the risk. Okay, just now we also go through the error setting. This is very important. You can actually read out, they actually put out very, very detailed. So these are the things that probably can do some reset. Just follow exactly. If still don't know, please come inside our community. We are willing to help. Now we are talking about Apollo. Okay. So just now we actually go through again. Sign up Apollo, sign up Bybit, set up API and link together. I'm not going to go through the details of it. So maybe my editor can cut the moment and just bind together. Sign up first and make sure this is the right affiliate number that you join in. Then you can see the interface over here. Later I'll share your the account. So first of all here, you will find out at the deposit, you know, you just find Polygon. This is only the only chain they have lah. Just copy the address and then buy the gas. So how you do? You just go over here to copy, find the right one. Just a side note forever. There's a crypto pro was like confused. Hey, how come Polygon and Matic, is it the same thing? Okay, it's the same thing. Last time it's called Polygon, and they actually rebrand to call Matic. But I don't know why sometimes they still call themselves back to Polygon. So Polygon, Matic, Matic, Polygon, they will also put together. So it's the same chain, don't have to worry. So just top up and you can just buy $30 gas. Okay, so again over here is same thing. Open sub account, unify, and do all the setting over here. All the step by step will be on the side. Okay, so how we do it, I'm going to show you all my account on my mobile so you can see clearly. So I have the Apollo with me right now. Okay, just now what we do already, again same thing, you just go to your account and link the crypto exchange and to the API. So see, just now I already copy and paste. Remember the API thing? You just need to go here. So Apollo is over here. You just paste your key, your secret key, your API key, then you will link already. What I'm going to do here is open up to find. Okay, we already find a demo. So Apollo Hunter. Okay, already coming. So I need to transfer the funds. Okay, so across sub account. So you see, there's two. You can transfer within the main account. Then of course with the sub account, because you need to transfer the funds over. I don't have BTC here. Sorry, main account. So if there's that much, then maybe I'll just transfer $200. Okay, so I can show some example for you all. Then I will find Unify Trading. Okay, I'll just press confirm. Okay, so just nice we can do an example of transfer funds. Because I think just now got maintenance, so they cannot transfer. Yeah, I forget. So withdraw USDT. Okay, we need to scan over here. So deposit. Just find this account, then you just scan and you just update will do. Okay. Let me see whether is it okay already. I already scanned just now. Let me check the address book. Okay, let me go to my account. Withdraw USDT. Find the address. Below profit. And take $30. Okay. Yeah, I think just now got maintenance. So now we already set up the transfer the wallet because the gas fee. So now we are doing is to the gas fee, right? So while waiting, maybe I share with you all one of the account that we just set up for. Let me share my screen. So Apollo is very, very smart. So let's see. Okay. This is the account that we open up. Okay. This is running. So this is a buy low, sell high. If you are buy low, sell high, right, I will recommend H bar, but because you see now they are putting down, but you can see a profit. So this is the account that I showed you all just now. So usually, right, what you can see is spot classic, future classic. So when we choose, right, we just go to future. If you are opening a future, you can see this ATR. What is this ATR for? Remember one thing, for future, higher ATR, the risk is higher. So we go lesser risk. And another thing, right, the amount bigger, right, you probably need to put more money. So if you have little money, don't put that big amount. You can always ask us, then we will actually share with you all. So let's say, for example, you can choose a token, for example, Cardano, ADA, let's say you put confirm. So for future, right, if your account is lower, lesser, like maybe 100, maybe you can go for the year instead of 7. Initial amount is 20. If it's Ethereum, right, because it's 4,000 right now, you need $45. So it's very risk. Don't put long or short one position. Put it auto. So they will help you decide. Remember just now, partial take profit, long or short positions, right? So you can go 5x. The original setting is actually 10x. But because now it's bull market, sometimes if open out wrong direction, you might face losses. So you put 5x. Okay? So this is for future setting. Okay, you just press launch. Once you press ready, right, you will appear at your future account. So you will actually open up here. Here is floating. Floating means that haven't confirmed lose or, is it lose or profit? So but you can see the realized profit of this coin, how much has been making closing already. That means confirm make profit already. So for spot, right, it's actually about the same, but the thing on the account might be different. So I'll share with you all. So you can see that for these, in fact, it's totally a different game. You can do whatever, as long as like 4 to 5, it's alright as well. So we actually open up Hedera, HBAR. So what I do is just open up and show you. So what we do is like once we click ready, right, you can choose like that. So I put $40. Their recommended is also 20, but they ask you to open 10 the year. So again, you just do 3 layer, 4 layer is good enough. Okay, then you just press confirm, then that's it. Then you will automatically run. So when you run, right, how you going to see your account balance? You take spot as the main, right? Because the asset over here is this amount. For the spot, right, is the total amount of the whole wallet. How much is the wallet showcase over here is $300. So they should go up that much. Okay, the rest of it is still floating. So this is the total amount. So if you're scared that it's very complex or whatever, right, you don't even open the spot, you just go to future. Yeah, so let's see on my account whether the amount is going in already. Let's see for the Apollo, whether the amount is in. So the gas haven't come in, but usually what we do is we will just go to buy gas fee. So the more you buy is also, you will have more discount. Okay, the $30 is over here. Just press pay, then that's it. And you will run already. Okay, so I can't show over here now because it's not moving, but you still can setting over here. It's a totally new one. Let me showcase one as maybe I choose Ethereum. Just press confirm. So see, minimum is 40. If they go until $5,000, right, you will need to change to 50. So this is the risk that if you are doing for this type. So you can put for the year, long or short, time X, and you press launch. Okay, but now because don't have balance, so you will not run. We ask you to top up. So this is how it works. So I hope you all understand and quite clear on this as well. So this is Jewel, one of our member. So you can see her account is $100. So you can see that this is the amount that is floating. How the setting is 24, long and short. Now I think that maybe it's risk, then I can reduce also. You just click update, confirm can already. So yeah, this is how you run Apollo bot. It's very simple. The whole thing that you need to understand, there's a few things you need to take note. Number one is profit. How much are you making? Secondly, it's your future. Just like I mentioned, right? Now spot, you can see the total amount also. Even though you're not opening up, but this is the total amount in the wallet. So 102 is floating. How much is floating? It's about $3 plus, okay? So that's why you can see like, hey, how come profit is $7? The account is only 102 because about $4, it's around the floating cash already. Another thing is like you need to make sure that your gas over here, the balance, it's there. Because if you don't have balance, right, it will be just now what you see. You cannot open the trades. So you can refer your friend to join out if you want. You can just copy and send. Okay. So yep, this is how it works. Link API, top up your wallet, deposit, all these things. So let's do a recap. We can actually see all the stats over here. There's a box. It will be inside the landing page here. You can see? Yeah, you can just scan and go in. So these will be inside the slides you can find. And I actually do it quite step by step. You just need to follow, will do. So any point of time, right, you can actually go to the moonverse, the website, and you just need to go to AI bot and signal. Everything you need is definitely here. Again, if you don't have, right, you can actually go to our community to chat with us and find out for more. So this is almost the end of it. Just want to say thank you very much. And what is our future plan? It's always building along the community, which is you guys. So we actually were planning to create our own wallet so that we can actually adopt for other Web2 company to receive payment, swap, and maybe some tools. And of course, we will definitely have our own token because we want to build an ecosystem over here. So that's about it. And thanks for joining us, and I will see you guys in the community.